universe has infinite knowledge for us to use however we want, and we all get access to it however we decide. I call it channeling. Channeling energy, channeling vibration, channeling frequency. So it's not technically singing, it's vocalizing, using sound, frequency, and vibration. And then I tone to help balance any kind of pain issues and help the process of healing. And then I teach people how to do that for themselves, because this is something that we all have access to.